guys! Good day! This is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Today, nandito tayo sa The Shops at Marina, wherein pupunta tayo sa world's first floating Apple Store. Tama na. Exciting to para sa mga katulad ko at katulad nyo na Apple fanatic. So kahit naman hindi kayo Apple users, pwede kayong pumunta dito. Pero ngayon, araw na to, samahan nyo ako. Papasok tayo sa loob. So tara, samahan nyo na ako. Let's go! Okay, so we will go inside the Apple Store, floating Apple Store. First in the world. You will need to do a reservation and appointment before going inside this floating Apple Store. So you will need to go inside. You need to do this safe entry so that you will trace for the contact tracing. Okay, so we'll do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So welcome to Apple Marina Basics. Here we are in the store itself. Yeah. Here you can see the audio products that we have, selfies, as well as the ones that we have, AirPods Pro. Yeah.
Okay.
Moving on, over here we have our phone cases on this side.
Okay.
On the other side, along with the new MagSafe accessories as well.
I
for the
see.
iPhone. Cables with all the new iPhones out available. So
Okay.
Literally all accountable.
So we will go inside the Apple Store, the first floating Apple Store in the world.
Appears to be floating with quotation marks.
Yeah, floating with a quotation.
Over here we have the accessories for iPad, iPhone as well.
Okay.
And on the other side, we have fitness and video taking accessories as well.
I see. These are the gimbals. If you are vlogging like me, so you can actually buy these gimbals here. Some accessories for your phone. I see.
And over here we have the Apple Watch Bay, which is basically, there's only about 2 stores in the world that have this particular feature. Our store and the store in 5th Avenue. So you can see over here all the different straps for the Apple Watch 6. And you can also change it around with the Apple Watch 5 as well.
I see. So the latest one is what's the version of the latest one on
We
the
have the
watch?
Apple Watch 6 and
6.
the Apple Watch SE.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the difference between the 6 and SE?
Oh, quite a few differences actually. The 6 actually has the always on display.
Okay.
And also it's using the new S6 chip as well.
Okay.
And also has the ECG app as well as the blood oxygen app as well.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
And only the SE only comes in aluminum in 3 colors.
I see. Sure. Thank you for the information, brother.
No problem.
Okay, so we're going up?
Yeah, we're going up to the glass door.
Okay, thank you. So, you've been working here in Apple Store, in a different Apple Store, or this is your...
Oh no, this is my first. Yeah, just started working here in April.
Okay.
Yeah, well, started working in this store specifically in about mid-September or so.
I
But
see.
we started work in April. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then this store opened in public September 10? 10 September,
That
is
is
it?
correct.
Okay.
Yeah. It was a big day for us. Yeah, very big day.
There's also a question, brother, that
Yeah.
if you are the other user,
Yeah.
can you visit this store? Like if you are not an Apple user, you know.
Yeah, of course. Anyone's welcome to come visit the Apple store.
Okay.
Check out and everything. Check out the store. Look at all our cool products and everything. Yeah.
Just do a reservation, is it?
Just to make sure you have a reservation. That's
Okay.
right. Yeah.
So this is like the Pantheon.
Yes, exactly. It's,
Right?
Yes, it has been right up to the fence. And the fun fact, it also has 114 glass panels all around.
Wow.
Yeah.
So all these panels,
Alright, let's take you around this one. This is our forum area where we would usually have our today and Apple sessions. However, we're suspending them in the meantime because of the COVID situation.
I see.
However, we hope to get it up and running, soon enough, with restrictions eased and everything.
I see. Okay.
Alright, let's go around seeing all the different product tables as well. Here we
Okay.
have the display for our Mac iPhone.
Okay. Oh, iMac. It's an iMac, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. So how much it will be for the new iMac? Oh, this one is one.
Price is all available, yeah.
Okay. So prices and also the specifications. If any other product details or specifications that customers will not know, they will ask the specialist like you, right?
Yeah. We can also together find out as well one particular product that we don't usually run. We can find it also on apple.com.
I
And we
see.
can see it together as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, this is the latest prices for iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 if you're interested. Okay, that's it guys. Nakalibot na tayo sa loob. Okay naman siya. Tsaka kung gusto nyo talagang bumili ng mga Apple products, pwede kayo pumunta dito pag tapos na ng pandemic. So, see you again on my next vlog. And don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button below to receive new videos and updates. So, thank you and good day. See you all and take care. Keep safe. Bye.